It's DEX 16 now, and next is .hack. DEX 16 will talk about giving a voice to citizens through technology, website, and app that allows citizens to contact directly their political representatives.
You see here the main homepage of our website, unpus.pkl, literally meaning iask.al. And the app will have a similar interface, but there will be some differences in the way it works in the background, let's say. So when logging in the website, the citizen can select an area, the area where he votes. In the app, this will be done automatically via geolocation. Then the citizen will be able to choose whether he wants to contact the local representatives at the local level or municipal or central level. And given the combination of the two options, one of the contacts in the bottom row will become active. By clicking on the contact, he will be shown another interface through which he can send a query to the representatives. So either the MP or the representative at the municipal council, or even the administrator of his municipal area. He can insert the question and his email, and then provide some additional data for the back end of the website, such as the age, gender, level of education, and employment status. But these are all optional, so they will not be required to fill in this data. We think the coolest feature of our website and app is the stats behind the website. So after each query is submitted, the query will be assigned an ID number or an ID code. And not only the backend of the website can update the status, but the citizen himself can enter the code and update the status of his query. This will then allow to have what we call the engagement rate data. So how responsive was the parliament as a whole? How responsive were the MPs related to their constituency areas? And so on for the municipality. So how responsive was the municipal council or the administrator? Then we will also have another set of stats, the total number of queries, the answered queries, those in process, those refused, and those invalid. Finally, we will also have an FAQ section, so we will collect all the questions which were more frequently asked and split them by topic and by area, so the citizens can choose, to refer to previous experience, so to say. This was all. Thank you.
Thank you.